Hi, and welcome to the second part of our RotorHazard timing system. Today I will show you how to adjust voltage on adjustable voltage regulators. And the first thing you have to do is to solder an adjustment bridge on it. An advantage of this regulator is that it's really cheap. You can buy one for $50. You have to remember that delivery price depends on your country, as usual. After soldering a bridge, you have to solder an input power wires to input pins of this regulator. I will use a 4S battery to power it up in this video and also for my build. After that, you have to use your multimeter to check an output voltage. And as we remember, the first regulator should give us 3.3 volts and the second one should give us 5 volts. An adjustment process is really simple. You can adjust an output voltage by turning the adjusting screw. Now we can check an actual output voltage. As you can see, it's 5.29 volts. That's too much for us. Let's rotate an adjustment screw a little bit counterclockwise and check the voltage one more time. And now we get 2.85. But as you remember, we need 3.3 volts, so let's rotate an adjusting screw clockwise a little bit. We have to repeat this process once we'll get 3.3 volts exactly. Checking one more time. And now we see that it's 3.33. That's fine. Now we can adjust a 5 volts regulator. We have to make all the same steps as on the first part of this video. Remember that if you are using a predefined voltage bridge, you have to check an actual voltage. Because on mine regulators, a voltage on predefined voltage bridges did not match an actual voltage on output pins of the regulator. That's why I'm using an adjustment bridge and then adjust it manually to the needed voltage. And of course, if you don't want to do this, you can still buy a low voltage regulators, but they will cost you much more money. Once we've got an exact value of 5 volts, our process is finished and we can solder our regulators to the main board. See you in the next part.